we are in a vast array of different industries. It's amazing when you step back and look at it, and you can look and see, okay, we're in the food and beverage, which when it comes to the BFMs, that's great for hygienic standards. We go into the chemical and mineral industries, which then are going to need your higher temps, and they're more abrasive products. We roll into ingredients and nutritional, where they're going to need changeovers more often, to dairy companies who are working with whey proteins that need to be running clean in place cycles and stuff like that. There's so many different industries that we have our hand in with BFMs. But the great part about it is they all have different types of problems, but at the end of the day, the BFM solves what the problem is, which is typically leakage of product. What sets them apart from traditional hose clamp connectors is really airtight, dust tight, leak proof. So there's nowhere for product to leak out at all compared to your hose clamp design. The other thing is it's a repeatable fit. So you're always going to get the same fit no matter what on a BFM. Compared to that standard hose clamp, you don't know what you're going to get. Another nice thing is it's not just the standard, like I've been saying, the standard BFM fitting. Depending on your application, we could develop a BFM that might, that'll taper down into a size. It might be a cap. It might be something else. So there's more than just, we have adaptation for our applications that we can get to on the BFMs. It's the ease of in and out. I mean, you come up in a matter of seconds, you got that thing in and out. You're still digging with the hose clamp or screwdriver, and you don't have to use a tool. So there's no use of tools, which every maintenance group around the world loves when they hear that. The problem with the hose and clamp fitters is they can't get that repeatable fit. So, no matter where they cut their sleeves, when they go out there to place it on between the pipes, I might put it in differently compared to the guy next to me. Whereas with the BFM, it doesn't matter. Once it's set, it goes in place, it's done. Maintenance managers, plant managers, and QA managers, they all face different types of issues when it comes to flexible connectors. And the great thing about the BFM is that it can solve all their issues. Maintenance workers, they're worried about, how are my workers going to take this new connector on, and how easy it is for them to get it in and out. And then is it going to last? Plant managers, they're more concerned about the efficiency. How quickly will they get them in and out? Are we going to get product loss? And then you got your quality assurance managers that come in, and they're more worried about compliances such as, is it ATEX rated? Is it USDA 3A accepted? Does it have all the compliances? Can we clean it? Can we clean it in place? Do we have to clean it out of place? Those are all the types of concerns that they all have. But yeah, at the end of the day, what's great about it is that the BFM covers all of those. They create the airtight seal. They're easy to clean. They cover everything that those managers are looking for.